Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. So before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and double check if the WhatsApp Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. And if it doesn't, just follow along. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the WhatsApp Messenger. And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Click on the updates at the below left corner. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click the camera right here to start a new status. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just, let's say for example, I'm going to just, for the sake of this video, I'm going to just take a photo. Now what I'm going to do, I took a photo of this, maybe, this picture. Now what I'm going to do, you're going to see right here the stickers, right? And you're gonna see the stickers right here that I just saved, and you're gonna see only emojis, right? And you're gonna see all just emojis. So even here you're gonna see text, and you're gonna see the pencil right here. So unfortunately for now you won't be able to do it within the WhatsApp Messenger. You won't be able to add like an Instagram story to add the music, but alternatively you can just go back to your screen and use another editing app like CapCut and just basically add the picture that you want and add the music that you want. But of course you have to download the music and all that in order to do it, and or you can just choose the music from the music library on CapCut. So this is the second best solution for now, but we will let you know in the future if there is any update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.